On the menu is something that defines Koh Kood on a plate, and I want to know how it's made A to Z fashion. Chef Tuk, I'm excited about this dish. We're working with local pineapple.
Yes.
And the name of this dish?
Gaeng Kua Sapparod.
Gaeng Kua Sapparod.
Gaeng Kua Sapparod.
Okay, but in English, it's basically a pineapple red curry.
Yes.
And we have a lot of ingredients here.
Dry chili.
Lemongrass.
And shallot.
Shallots.
Yes. Galang.
And special shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste.
Yes.
Local.
That's fashioned into a paste right here. And that looks spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah. Lemongrass, and chili. Yeah, wow, that's wonderful.
Yes.
So you get the sweetness from that sweet and this spicy.
Yeah.
Mix together.
Mix together.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
And Chef Tuk, how many years are you a chef?
13.
How did you learn from
Family.
family?
Yeah. Oil.
Yeah. Your amazing chili paste.
Chili paste.
Even in an outdoor kitchen, it smells like heaven.
A little bit soup.
There's our beauties. Lovely local shrimp.
Local shrimp.
Yeah.
1 palm sugar. A little bit salt. And fish sauce.
It just thickens up. The sauce is just reducing down. The broth is reducing down. So now that pineapple is going to caramelize along with that palm sugar. And just like before, that shrimp is just gonna soak it all in. Oh.
Coconut milk.
Yes. It's very interesting. You get the richness from that chicken stock, which takes hours and hours to produce. Then you have richness from the coconut cream. So it's just like texturing, layers and depth of flavor. That's what it's all about. Local pineapple and a dish endemic to Koh Kood. How good is this? Such a treat. We're still in the village of Al Salah, just a little bit recessed from the fisherman village. So shall we try the pineapple curry? Look at that. It's all congealed a little bit. It's all caramelized. And this is just like the perfect thing to douse your rice with. It's just looks so good. This is the recipe I came here for, and I'm sure it's not going to disappoint. Wow. You think they're sweet, but there's levels and depths to sweetness. The tanginess from the pineapple, the heat from the chili, the fishiness from the shrimp, but the richness of the broth and the coconut cream, it just tempers it down, brings it back down a notch. And what you have left with is layers of sweetness. Ooh, that's amazing. So good. What a true tropical delight. To seek out an endemic dish in a remote island like Koh Kood is exactly what I was hoping to discover.